I just finished my first print with this new removable print bed test. All right, so this is version 1. I just peeled back the tape so you guys could see, these tabs that I created. So it should lift up relatively easy. Okay, there we go. That's the piece. And you can see it printed on there. Quality's pretty nice. Good first layer. All right. Now, of course, I would love to flex this, but I only have one hand. So I don't know how I'm going to show you guys. All right. And now it is pretty stuck on there. So let me see if I can. Shit. Okay. So I flexed it a little bit. I'm gonna need. Now, you would be wanting to do this with a bigger piece. These smaller pieces are of course going to be harder. But hey, there we go. All right. So, if you guys want to do this, I'll post the STL. Oh, you know what we can do too? Let's show it going back on. All right. So okay, now the tape's going to get in the way, of course. Let me pull the tape back. And it's got the notches. And so there's 1. There's 2. Okay, so we're all back on, as you can see. And now what I need to test is if I can just reprint and will my level be good. That's what I don't know. We might have to have some type of active bed leveling so that it checks every time the leveling, because I don't know if this plate is going to settle back in the same spot. It might throw off my first levels, but I'll test and I'll let you guys know. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.